In this presentation, we will look at how interacting with communities can increase your range of collaboration with others relevant to the 3DEXPERIENCE platform. If your administrator has set up communities on your platform for you and other members to engage with, you can gain access to them on the right side of the top bar. Clicking here will open a side panel where you can navigate the communities you have access to. There is also a Conversations tab where you can message and collaborate with other members on your platform. You can publish content to an existing community or create a new community if your administrator has granted you that right. In this example of a community for new users, the administrator has given them the ability to publish a post or a question. Some types have a life cycle beyond a posting in the community. For instance, a we do can mature to a concept and become an item in a plan. Ideas can eventually be transferred to formal requirements if they are deemed worthy. In this example, the new user needs some guidance on how to get and use CATIA on the platform and post a question accordingly. You can also launch the 3D Swim app to work with your communities. The app will open a new browser tab for you to work within. In a community, you can create posts, upload various media types, create we-dos, suggest an idea, ask a question, create a survey, or add a wiki page. All these types of entries promote collaboration within the team. Submissions to the community can also come from other platform apps. In this case, the new user has a related question on how they can work with the native CAD data that they have found in a web app. The user can search for the data and even open it in 3D Play, but is not clear where to go next. The user then posts directly from 3D Play to a community to get some guidance from more experienced members. Notification alerts are found in the top bar and are important to take note of. When you are subscribing to a community or specific community content, you can receive notifications of updates. If you are assigned to participate in a we do, you will receive notifications about that. In the broader scope of the platform, you will receive notifications about new roles you may have been granted, tasks that have been assigned to you, change actions, and many other activities. You can filter your notifications to suit your needs and adjust your notification preferences. Here you see preferences for 3D Swim, where you can activate the notifications you wish to receive, specify that a notification be sent to your email, or if you want these notifications to not appear in the notification center at all. Each available collaboration type has its own preferences for notification. Now we see that another member has responded to the new user. Clicking on the notification takes the user directly to the response. The new user can validate or invalidate the response after testing it. Validation makes a community more than just a chat area and helps you build a knowledge base where other members will benefit from lessons learned. There are also communities in the greater Dassault ecosystem that you can navigate to via the Active Platform drop-down menu. User communities are typically aligned along brands such as Inovia or CATIA, though there are also specialized user communities. Some communities are open to any user, and some require approval to join from community admins. You can search for communities of interest to you by using keywords. You can also add these communities to your favorites. The CATIA user community is public and grants you a contributor role, so you can create a post or ask a question at any time. You can also request that a community admin grant you permission or an author role in the community, giving you more privilege for what you can publish in the community. You can view the members in the community and begin to broaden your 3D Swim contacts beyond the limits of your own platform. A timeline of items published to the community is available for navigation of all topics. You can filter the postings within a community if you wish to narrow them down to specific topics. Swim communities, both internal to your company and within the Dassault ecosystem, are an important means of collaboration that is often overlooked by users of 3DEXPERIENCE. For Dassault Cloud customers, a special type of community can be created where only members of your company, Dassault, and your Dassault reseller partner can collaborate. These communities are known as if we loops. This type of community is private and cannot be accessed by any others outside of the 3 organizations directly involved. This provides you with more freedom of expression without inadvertently revealing information you do not wish to be in the public domain. Participating in an if we loop with your platform partners also allows you to influence them in enhancing existing tools and developing new ones that would increase the overall benefit to your business. Thank you for viewing this Intro to Communities presentation. Please continue to our Options for User Assistance presentation to learn how you can get even more help with your platform.